Sikkim Climate Change Vulnerability Assessment 2011 identified 14 blocks consisting of 79 gram panchayats, 489 villages as a drought-prone area. These villages receive half the less rainfall compared to other villages in Sikkim. It is positioned in the rain shadow area of Darjeeling Hills. Spread across two micro-watersheds in the banks of River Rangit is the Sumbuk Kartike Gram Panchayat with 483 households consisting of a total population of 2,171. Problem of water crisis is not a new phenomenon. Women and children have to bear the brunt by carrying water uphill. For a very long time, most public meetings were regarding issues on water shortage. Villagers demanded, "Give us water, we will take care of the rest." There was an urgency. Something needed to be done, very quick. The Gram Sabha, then in 2011, decided to take up water conservation initiative under MG Narega. The mission to build water storage facility began. This initiative gained momentum post-2014 after Government of India made it mandatory to invest more than 65% of labour budget under natural resource management. However, challenges were many. The difficulty of getting materials to work site, maintaining wage-material balance, exploring possible convergence to meet the material deficits. Communities even came forward to contribute local materials. Every household has been mapped under the Village Water Security Plan. Yellow code denotes household with MG Narega tanks, while green denotes household with private tanks, and the blue dot denotes the size of the tanks. Local source and pipelines have also been mapped. The most vulnerable households have been identified for intervention and under MG Narega. Until now, MG Narega has constructed 231 water tanks at a cost of 2.93 crores. In addition, 63 tanks have been constructed in convergence with water schemes. After almost 7 years of untiring effort, today 447 households, which is 93%, have access to water storage facilities. 403 households, which is 83%, have access to government pipelines. Ensuring water security by 2020 is not very far from being a reality. 88 lakhs alone has been paid as wage to job card holders. 10,000 litre tanks can provide water to a family for the whole month. Conflicts over water is a story of the past. Most people don't even remember the conflicts. Initiatives taken up under MG Narega is worth the effort.
मेरा नाम अरुणा प्रधान है। मैं सुम्बुक सुनतले वार्ड से हूँ और मैं हॉर्टिकल्चर से ये फूल का सेट जो मिला है हमें वहाँ पर पानी हम MG नरेगा के टैंकी से लाया हूँ। जो पहले हमारे पास नहीं था वो हमारा MG नरेगा टैंकी वहाँ उस समय हमें बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था पीने का पानी, लेकिन जब से वो पहले मिला है ना MG नरेगा टैंकी तब से हमें बहुत फ़ायदा हो रहा है। पानी बहुत प्रशस्त हो रहा है, उससे हम खा भी सकते हैं, फूल लगा रहे हैं, सब्जी आदि लगा रहा है। इसलिए मैं बहुत शुक्रिया करता हूँ MG नरेगा से जो हमें वो दिया टैंकी दिया, उससे हमें बहुत फ़ायदा है।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम मार्किट लेप्चा, मैं सुम्बुक कार्तिकी जीपीओ का हूँ। ये मुझे MG नरेगा के तरफ से ये टैंकी मिला है। मुझे इस टैंकी को मैंने टैंकी में पानी रिजर्व करके मैंने ये पोल्ट्री फार्म स्टार्ट किया है। सुबह 60 लीटर लगते हैं तो शाम को भी 60 लीटर ही लगते हैं। इस टैंकी देने वाले सभी को मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। मैंने ये अपने गुजारा करने के लिए मैंने ये पोल्ट्री फार्म स्टार्ट किया है।
पहले तो घर का आमा का बहुत तकलीफ था, अभी तो बहुत सुख मिल रहा है। जितना सुख मिलेगा इसका श्रेय वो MG नरेगा को जाएगा।
Whether we will have good rainfall this year or not remains uncertain. All we can do is pray that our springs get enough rain. After all, spring water is rainwater. The effort to conserve every drop of water continues.